Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ubi Nasul and I am here to present my work which is on open pit slope stability. And further we have to find the rock mesh properties, rock mesh classification, best method for rock mesh classification, geotechnical parameters and further more things which are all ahead. So first we find rock mesh properties of granite and norite. This task is done with rock data software, and after that we find the geotechnical parameters which are pit wall design, hydrological consideration, blastic consideration, rock support and reinforcement. After that we have to find the rock mesh classification. So for that we have to find the best method for rock mesh classification, and finally we come to know that slope mesh rating is one of the best method to find the rock mesh classification. To find this slope mesh rating we have to find 4 to 5 parameters which are RQD, RMR, dip direction of joints, dip direction of slope, dip of joint, dip of slope. So first we find RQD. For that we are provided with 10 core samples. For that we find the RQD and make an average, and our RQD is 61, which is fair. After that we find RMR, rock mesh rating. So we have to find some parameters which are used to find the rock mesh rating, which are already provided in our CEP, and we use that and we use table, and we are come to know that our RMR is 52, which is fair. And finally we find slope mesh rating. For that we have to find dip direction of joint, dip direction of slope and furthermore things. For that we use GIPS software to find those dip direction and dips of joint and slope, and find the slope mesh rating which is 59, and that is fair. With the help of the table we come to know that our rock is partially stable, and there's a greater chance of wedge failure and other failures. So for that we have to support our rock, and one of the key support is we have to find the face angle, overall slope angle. For that we have to find the overall slope angle. We know that the failure parameter is the failure criteria to fail the rock is face angle is greater than plane angle, and which is also greater than friction angle. So for the stability analysis we have to find the face angle which is lower than friction angle and as well as face angle.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Junaid Murtada. In this complex engineering problem, we have to focus on two methods. First one is empirical and second is numerical. These methods are explained by Mubin Usul. Now I'm going to explain you how to find slope angle, engineering solution, phase 2D and design parameters. So we find slope angle through StereoNet by using DIPS software. After that we use phase 2D software. In this software we design those parameters which are required to prevent the rock to fail. In those parameters we have bench height, bench width and slope angle. So for the protection of our design we use engineering solution. In engineering solution we use rock bolting and meshing. At the end we concluded that our RMR is fair. With SMR rating we come to know that there is a wedge failure. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.